Welcome to our video series where we discuss important topics related to personal finance and insurance. In this episode, we'll be addressing a question that many individuals have. Is accident insurance worth it? If you are new to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Also see the description box for our amazing offers and more information. Accidents can happen when we least expect them, and having proper financial protection can make a significant difference. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of accident insurance to help you make an informed decision. Accidents are a part of life. Whether it's a slip and fall, a car crash, or a workplace mishap, the consequences can be financially burdensome. Accident insurance is designed to provide coverage specifically for these unexpected events. But is it worth the investment? Let's delve deeper into the pros and cons to find out. Let's start with the pros of accident insurance. Financial protection. Accident insurance offers an additional layer of financial protection. It can help cover medical expenses, hospital stays, and rehabilitation costs resulting from an accident. Having this coverage can bring peace of mind, knowing that you won't be overwhelmed by unexpected bills. Supplemental coverage. Accident insurance acts as supplemental coverage to your existing health insurance. It fills the gaps that your health insurance may not cover, such as deductibles, co-pays, and out-of-pocket expenses. This ensures that you won't have to drain your savings to pay for accident-related costs. No deductibles. Unlike health insurance, accident insurance often comes with no deductibles. This means that you can receive benefits from the very first dollar spent on accident-related medical expenses. Worldwide coverage. Some accident insurance policies provide worldwide coverage. So whether you're traveling for work or leisure, you can rest assured that you're protected against accidents no matter where you are. Now let's consider the cons of accident insurance. Limited coverage. Accident insurance typically covers accidents and injuries specifically, excluding other health issues. If you're looking for comprehensive health coverage, accident insurance may not be sufficient on its own. Pre-existing conditions. Most accident insurance policies do not cover pre-existing conditions. If you have a pre-existing health condition, it's essential to review the policy carefully to understand the extent of coverage. Premium costs. Accident insurance premiums can vary depending on factors such as age, occupation, and coverage limits. It's crucial to compare quotes from different insurance providers to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Overlapping coverage. If you already have disability insurance or life insurance with accident coverage, you may already have some level of protection. It's important to review your existing policies to avoid duplicating coverage and unnecessary expenses. So, is accident insurance worth it? Ultimately, it depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and existing insurance coverage. If you have a higher risk of accidents due to your occupation or lifestyle, accident insurance can offer valuable financial protection. However, if you already have comprehensive health insurance and other relevant coverage, you may need to evaluate whether the additional benefits justify the cost. We hope this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of the pros and cons of accident insurance. Remember, it's essential to carefully assess your own situation and consult with insurance professionals to make the right decision. Stay informed and stay protected. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.